Good morning, dear students. How are you? I hope you all are very healthy and fine. And in today's video, we are going to discuss about one grammatical formation, that is verb. So in this video, we are going to learn about what is verb, what is the definition of verb, about transitive, intransitive verb, and subject verb agreement. Okay, so first of all, we need to understand what is verb. So I hope you could see verb. So when we are talking about verb, we need to understand the basic structure of the sentence. That for English sentence structure. So for English sentence structure, we need one subject. In subject, we can use noun or pronoun, and then we need one verb. Verb can be two type. One is auxiliary verb and second is our main verb, and third part is our object, and in object we can use any kind of noun or pronoun. So this is the basic structure of English language, and today we are going to discuss about verb. Verb, in a very simple language, we can say verb is an action. Verb is equal to action that took place in a sentence. For example, he. What type of action is taken by he? So that we call verb. Clear? For example, he reads a book. Now this is what in grammatical language we call it verb. So the action of reading is performed by he, and action of reading performed on, through the book, or on the book. Clear? So this is the basic structure of sentence. In a sentence we need one subject, verb and object. And verb, in a simple language, we can say it is an action that is performed in a sentence. For example, he reads a book. So the action of reading is performed by him on a book. So we call it verb. Clear? So verb is an action. We have two types of verbs. First is auxiliary verb or helping verb. Helping verb, and helping verbs are is, am, are, was, were, has, have, had, do, does, did, etc. So these are our auxiliary verbs, and we call them helping verbs. And other verbs except auxiliary verbs, we call them main verbs. So these main two types of verbs we are having. Okay, now we are going to discuss about transitive and intransitive verb. Transitive transitive and transitive verb. Okay, bache. Then again we can differentiate a sentence that has some sort of object. What we call it a verb that is having object we call it transitive verb. For example, he reads. Okay, what he is reading, we need some sort of object to clear the meaning. So he reads a book. So a book object is needed to clear its meaning. So what we call this verb, we call it transitive verb. Transitive verb. For example, he is driving, or he is calling. Now these verbs, we do not give them any kind of object. So what we call them intransitive verbs. Transitive verbs. Clear? So in a very simple language, a verb that needs object, we call it transitive verb, and a verb that does not need any kind of verb, we call it intransitive verb. Clear? Okay bache, now I am going to end this video because I don't want to make my video too long. So in the next video we will discuss about the object, direct object, indirect object, and also about the subject of the complement and object of the complement. So these kind of things we will discuss in the next video. Till then, goodbye and have a nice day, beta.